Okay, children, in the last class we have seen the lesson about the five detectives, the story, very nice story. Now we are going to see about the Pictionary. Here, page number 17, they are given Pictionary. In this, they are given the some of the meanings, My Little Pictionary. So, we will find out this picture dictionary that is known as the Pictionary. My Little Pictionary. What they are given? Wax work. What do you mean by the wax work? That is a life-size dummy. A life-size dummy made of wax. Okay. அதாவது ஆர்டிஃபிஷியலாக நம்மளுடைய உருவத்தை வேக்ஸில் உருவாக்கி கொடுக்கறது தான் வேக்ஸ் ஒர்க். நெக்ஸ்ட் மெஜிஷியன். யூ நோ தட் மெஜிஷியன் யூ மைட் ஹவ் சீன், யூ மைட் ஹவ் ஹர்ட். மெஜிஷியன் மேஜிக் பண்ணுறாங்க. எ பர்சன் ஹூ பர்ஃபார்ம்ஸ் மேஜிக் ட்ரிக்ஸ். எ பர்சன் ஹூ பர்ஃபார்ம்ஸ் மேஜிக் ட்ரிக்ஸ். ஓகே, a person. Then third one, disguise. That is to make a person look. To make a person look different. To hide. Their identity, தன்னுடைய ஐடென்டிட்டினா உண்மையான உருவத்தை மறைச்சிட்டு இன்னொரு உருவமாக வர்றது தான் டிஸ்கைஸ். டு ஹைட் their identity. Okay, then fourth one, chit. What do you mean by the chit? A short note. Chit, a short note on a piece of paper. Then statue. What do you mean by the statue? Statue na silai இல்லையா? Statue is human made figure of a person or animal. That is life size or larger. Okay, so this is the Pictionary they are given in the book. Now in the book, in a lesson also they are given the glossary as a meaning. So glossary also I will write here. So listen. Admirable, praiseworthy. நீங்கள் செஞ்ச காரியத்தை பார்த்து ப்ரைஸ் வர்த்தி, உங்களோட புகழ்றது. ப்ரைஸ் வர்த்தி, அட்மைரபிள். ஓகேயா? தென் மிஸ்ட்ரி, kept secret. Mystery is kept secret. Pestering, irritating. போலாம் எனக்கு இது வேணும் அது வேணும் சும்மா தொந்தரவு பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கிறது தான் irritating. Then overheard, ஒருத்தர் பேசுகிற கான்வர்சேஷனை நம்ம கேட்கறது தான் overheard. To hear, அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாமலே கேட்கறது. To hear without speaker's knowledge, அவங்க பேசுகிறவங்களுக்கே தெரியாமல் அவங்கள ஒட்டு கேட்கறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Speaker's knowledge, overheard. ஓகே, அவங்க என்ன பேசுகிறாங்கன்னு கவனிக்கிறது. Then solve, to find the answer. Solve means to find the answer. Next, sniffed. Sniffed naina. Sniffed is to smell by. To smell by. Short inhalations. Short inhalations. Okay. Furious. Furious is intensely angry. Intensely angry. Okay. So admirable, praiseworthy. THY. Mystery, kept secret. Pestering, irritating. Overheard, to hear without speaker's knowledge. Solve, to find the answer. Sniffed, too small by short inhalations. Furious, intensely angry. Okay. Now we'll see the opposites, tenses and the plurals. So this is not in your book, so I am writing. So just copy down, children. So this is in your book, this picture dictionary and the glossary is in your book. So you can learn from the book. This may opposites, tenses and plurals. I am giving my word from this lesson. So meanings I have already seen. Now we are going to see about opposites. Opposites: near, far, open, close, start, stop, inside, inside, outside, straight, narrow. Okay, now the third one is tenses. Wag, that is wagged. From the lesson only I am giving this, children. Expect, expected. Agree, agreed. Sniff, sniffed. Dress, dressed. Cough, coughed. Okay, now the next one is plurals. City, cities. Game, games. Item, items. Magician, magicians. Friend, friends. Okay, so this is the opposite tenses and plurals so far I have given for you. Okay, children. Now the remaining exercises in your book. Okay, opposite: near, far, open, close, start, stop, inside, outside, straight, narrow. Okay, here it is wag, wagged, expect, expected, Agree, agreed. Sniff, sniffed. Dress, dressed. Cough, coughed. Then in plurals, city, cities. Game, games. Item, items. Magician, magicians. Friend is friends. Okay, so that's all. So learn the meanings, both the meanings, children. Now, next one is from your book. Let us understand. Let us understand. That is page number 76. Here they are given, match the following. Match the following. They are given Pablo. Second one, Velayudham. Velayudham. Third one, Srijit. Here they are given the answer, but it's not a correct answer. We have to put the number for this. Old man, then dog. So they are given the three answers. Pablo, that is the dog. This is number 1. Velayudham is the inspector, is number 2. And Srijit is an old man disguising as an old man, that is number 3. Now we'll move on to the choose the correct answer. Same page only they are given. Choose the correct answer. So in this, Pablo was the dog of dash. They are given Fatima, B is Srijit, and C is Amuda. So Pablo was the dog of Srijit. Okay, then the message was to gather on dash, that is A is Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. That is, the message was to gather on Tuesday. Third, Dash overheard her father's talking on the phone. Who have overheard? Jessie. Jessie overheard her father's talking on the phone. Okay, on the phone. So option is Amuda and B is Arul and C is Jessie. Okay, so this is the answer. So go through this. Pablo was the dog of Srijit. The message was to gather on Tuesday, and Jessie overheard her father's talking on the phone. So these are the choose the best answer and everything they are given. Now answer the following, I'll write later on. And now we'll move on to the exercises. Here let us build. We too went to the hill. So we are going to say now TO2 abdina TOO2 and TWO2. So what do you mean by this? So we too went to the hill. We too na rendu pera ponom. Enga ponom? To the hill, the place, and to the hill. So we felt too happy. So we went. We naka rendu pera. We too went. ரெண்டு பேர் டு த ஹில். எந்த இடத்துக்கு போனீங்க? த ஹில். அப்போ டு த ஹில். ஸோ வி ஃபெல்ட் டூ ஹாப்பி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. திஸ் ஒன்லி வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு சி. எந்த இடத்துல TWO2 போடணும்னு தெரியும். 2 பர்சன் வந்தாங்க. TO2 எந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு போனீங்க? டூ ஹாப்பி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ தீஸ் கைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ் சவுண்ட்ஸ் அலைக். இது ஒரே மாதிரி ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் தான் வரும். சவுண்ட் சேம், பட் தே ஹாவ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் மீனிங். But they are the different meaning. We know that these words are called homophones. This is known as the homophones. Okay. So let's see how TO2, TWO2 and TOO2 differ in the meaning. So these two girls, ரெண்டு girls இருக்காங்களே, அப்போ these two went. எங்கே போகிறாங்க? to the hill, TO2 the place, and felt too cold. ரொம்ப கோல்டாக இருந்தது. So here 2 is used to show the number. TO2 is used to show the place or the direction. 2 means very extreme. So 2 that shows the number. Okay, yeah, number present பண்ணுறது TWO2. Then TO2 is shows the place or the direction. The place இல்லைனா direction, அதை சொல்கிறது தான் TO2. TOO2 இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண? மீன்ஸ் வெரி எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம். ரொம்ப அதிகமாக இருக்கிறது, சந்தோஷப்படுறது, எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம். ஓகே, ஹியர் ஆர் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். 2 tables are too small to lift. என்ன இருக்குது? 2 tables are too small. Very small சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? Too small, that means very. Too small to lift. Can you understand the reason? எதுக்கு அதாவது இது ஒரு reason to lift. Can you understand? So this is the exercises they are given, and some of the fill-ups also they are given in this. Page number 78. Page number 78. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So in the fill in the blanks la enna கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா, we will see that one by one. Students are going dash. Students are going dash school. School என்றது ஒரு place இல்லையா? So you have to put TO2. Okay, there are dash chocolates. So number வரும்போது there are dash chocolates, 2 chocolates. Third one, the tree is dash big. The tree is too big. ஓகே, ஒன்று எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமில் சொல்லலாம், இல்லைன்னா ட்ரீ எப்படி இருக்குது? பிக். எப்படி இருக்குது? டூ பிக். ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, டிக் த கரெக்ட் வேர்டு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் டிக் த கரெக்ட் வேர்டு. So they are given the options. First one, we like dash play. So இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? TOவா, TOOவா, இல்லை TWOவா? we like to play. அப்போ இதை டிக் பண்ணணும். செகண்ட் ஒன், I ate dash many chocolates. I ate dash many chocolates. அதே தான். They are given the options 2 I ate too many chocolates. நிறைய சாப்பிட்டேன். Not TWO. அதிகமாக சாப்பிட்டேன்னு சொல்கிறேன் இல்லையா, that one. Then I will be coming in dash days. ஸோ எத்தனை நாளுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அப்போ என்ன வரும்? I will be coming in 2 days. Then fourth one, they went dash to the park. They went, ஒரு இடத்துக்கு போகிறாங்க இல்லையா, dash the park. அப்போ பார்க்குன்றது ஒரு இடம். ஸோ ஒரு பிளேஸ்க்கு போகும்போது TO2. So this is எல்லாத்துக்குமே 2 and 2 you have to write, you have to take the answer. Here I have written the straight answer. I ate dash many chocolates இருக்கு. I ate too many, ரெண்டுக்கும் அதிகமாக சாப்பிட்டதால் you have to write too many chocolates. And now fill in the blanks with, this is the last one, same page only, very easy. See, fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks, same thing only. Here they are given as a paragraph with TO2, TWO2 and TOO2. So this only we are going to fill in this. Mom had promised dash take Ben and Jill dash the zoo. The dash children were dash excited that they could hardly wait for Saturday dash come. They wanted dash take their baby sister with them. But mom said she was dash young. So here in this, mom had promised to take, ஒரு இடத்துக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போறீங்க இல்லையா, so TO2 to take Ben and Jill to the zoo. Okay, then the dash children, the two children, Ben and Jill இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அப்போ the two children were too excited, ரொம்ப happy that they could hardly wait for Saturday to come. Saturday or day to come, time இல்லையா, place. They wanted to take their babies, TO2, to take their baby sister with them. But mom said she was too young. Okay children, so up to this you can follow this one children. Okay, so mom had promised to take Ben and Jill to the zoo. Take and place, another TO2 போடுங்க. The two children, Ben and Jill, two children, TWO2, were too excited, very much happy, and that they could hardly wait for Saturday to come. And they wanted to take their baby sister with them, but mom said she was too young. So now you might come to know about the differences of the 2 and 2. Okay, so learn this children. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.